Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make iPhone screen completely black when lock. Some provide full guide. Simply at first open settings. This method will work any model iPhone. Showing it to display brightness. As you can see, showing it to always on display when I'm enable to always on display and just lock. Okay, now completely black in my lock screen. Okay, or if you want to remove to wallpaper, okay, just remove wallpaper when I'm locked in. Now not showing it to my wallpaper, it's completely black. Or if you want to show to wallpaper, or blur wallpaper photo. So that's it.